Your angels are aware that you are worrying excessively about your financial situation again. They specifically ask that you refrain from self-destructing by worrying about things that haven't happened yet. God knows what each person wants and provides for them in a kind and generous way. Keep in mind that miracles of blessings are normal. Let things go and allow the universe to show you that they exist and will assist you in enhancing everything in your situation, including your life. This message wasn't sent to you accidentally. Rather, your angel guides intended it for you. Sometimes the divine tries to communicate with you, but because some people lack intuition, they fail to understand what the divine is trying to say. To ensure a consistent supply in your life, please remind yourself to use positive words and think positive thoughts. The angelic realm is pleading with you to hold on tight and never give up because you are very close to receiving your abundance. Maintain all of your prayers, positive thoughts, and spoken prayers, and practice meditation. Because the divine always operates in a mysterious way, there is no harm in putting these things into practice. Best to prepare for wonderful new opportunities to appear in unexpected ways. The focus of this message is about positivity. Although everyone finds it simple to understand, few people are able to put it into practice in their daily lives. Be happy because the universe has noticed how much your attitude has changed for the better. The divine is giving you a good judgment to be aware of the fact that you have occasionally erred in judging and drawing conclusions. All of your doubts and fears will be precisely answered by the universe.